Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my super simple crown twist hairstyle that I love to wear. It is super easy to do if you do know how to crown twist. If you don't know how to crown twist, you might need some practice there. But yeah, so let's just jump right into it. My hair is freshly washed and my mirror is over here, y'all. So if y'all see me looking this way, that's where my mirror is located. But yeah, so it's freshly washed, and I also added in some leave-in. This is the leave-in that I used. I used the My Black is Beautiful Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream. Now, I used a good amount of this. This is really good. It helps with detangling and made my hair super soft, so I have it still split into 4 sections. So this is what my hair is looking like, freshly washed and all detangled, and yeah, ready to be twisted. Before we get started with twisting, I'm going to add a little bit of oil on my scalp because this is a style I like to leave in for a few days, and you do not want your scalp to be dry or to dry out too much while you have the twist in. So definitely, y'all, I'm kind of out of oil, so definitely add some oil to your scalp. So I always like to do a side part when I'm doing my crown twist. To flat twist our hair and hold the hair in place, I'm going to be using the Argan Oil Eco Styler gel. This is my favorite Eco Styler that I love to use for these types of styles. And y'all let me know in the comments how y'all are holding up during this coronavirus, because this is crazy, a crazy time. And where I am, the numbers are going up, y'all. I'm in Atlanta. And whew, things are really, really crazy here. So I hope everyone out there is doing all right. Okay, so after I put on the gel, you just want to brush that in. And then on my edges, I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's Slicked Flexible Styling Glue. And I do like this glue a lot because it does have a really strong hold. So yeah, but it does not flake. None of these products flake or have ever flaked on me. So you just start by taking a small piece from the front section of the part and split that into 2 more equal sections, and you literally just put one section of hair over the other and just pick up more hair as you go. And then you want to make sure the hair that you are picking up as you are flat twisting, you are pulling it pretty tightly so you don't have a twist that is too loose. Just twist all the way down, and then we're going to move on to the other side. That should not come untwisted. So this is what it's looking like before it's dry. So I'm just going to put on my silk scarf and let this dry overnight, and we'll show you guys tomorrow what the finished style looks like. Hey guys, so welcome back. It is the next day and my hair is fully dry, and I actually did my edges off camera, so y'all are gonna see my edges done. I did those before I put on my makeup. So yeah, so let me just show you all what it's looking like. And so yeah, I feel like that gel dried down really well. This style is perfect for work or just to wear if you don't feel like doing anything to your hair for a week. It's a really good low manipulation style, and yeah, perfect for this quarantine that we are all in right now. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And y'all let me know if you have any questions. Leave those in the comments. Thank y'all so much for watching.